Unoda kugadzirechi?
Matitanga?
Kudhara takaenda.
Ah?
Muita sei Cephas?
The history of Mad Minos is a long journey to Silverstone. Sometimes you can face challenges to conquer the Silverstone. But this is a legend. Human beings sometimes do something which is intersectorial or that dramatized. But I respect that elder. Even Templeman knows that Mad Minos is the master of music. Silverstone is the original band and double vibes. But for the meantime,
in between time,
I respect Mad Minos. And I will never forget Bigabango and Mangurenje and Clinton and Garkai. This is our generation. But when we talk on everything, on what we talk, we say dash it. I'm standing as a ghetto king. Because that is my opportunity. I am a ghetto king, no matter the people, whatever they say. I can say dash it.
Are you Garapasi? Garapasi, please. Garapasi, please. Devimdara ndubeta basi. Wakuda dash it. Garapasi.
Wana nagariswa padombo. Rakudoni.
Saka ukaita sei paningira.
But ndozongopiga mudhara anongonzi mumadhiminos anozongotipawo mari mahara chatinge taita chishino hapana ungotaura chete upewa vhidhiyo vanzi mari saka social media so that is nonsense dzakafanira kungoverenga news news read by Oscar Pambuka but ari kujeri Oscar Pambuka zvakapera kuti but Silverstone stand as a stone. When I say dash it, can you? I'm speechless for the meantime.
Mira,